Next one is add months. Okay. Add months. We can add months any date. Okay. Sorry. Date. This date, comma, give the any number. Can start with from June. So, what is this month? This month is June, right? What I added? Add months, today date, and one. Means 1 month I am adding. Same way, this is a next month. Okay. This is the next month. Same way, what I will do? Date minus 1. So previous month, if I'm adding, means minus 1 if I'm giving that is a previous month. So 17th of May 2024. So plus, if I'm giving it just one, add months 1, then it will add 1 month later from today date. So 17th is over. Same way, we can add -2 previous 2 months back. This one. Okay, it will add next 2 months. Same way, if you want to add 1 year before, 1 year later. Next year. So exactly 1 year it will add. 17th June 23rd. Okay. 17th June 25. Like this, we can add how many months we want. We can add by using the add months. Okay. Next function is What is today date? So see here, sys date. Sys date, if last day I'm giving this month, what is the last day? 30th June. I'm adding 22 days for today's date, and after that means it will come July. For July, what is the last date? It is giving a 31st July. So like this, we can add, we can get anything. Like suppose adding 50 days, 31st August. Add a same way, 68 minus okay, like this, we can get anything. What is the last day after? Same way, next day is in the function. See here, next day is day to Sunday. Means 23rd June. Mean next Sunday is what date it is showing. If you are seeing here, 23rd is a Sunday. Same way for July, 8th August. Okay, 8th August is whatever the day it is coming. Eighth August is Thursday. So same way it will come. So next day means give the date and day. If you are giving, right, what is the date it will display. And giving minus. So 13th June. And Thursday, 13th June. Last. 13th June, Thursday. Yes. 13th June, Thursday. That is another thing. Same way, these are the functions, date functions. So trunk, sorry, round already you saw. Now one more is there, trunk. Trunk also very important thing. So, that so six date I am giving. So no difference you are able to see, right? So now you are able to see some difference, right? Is there any difference or not? Hmm? What is the difference? Why it is showing zeros? Why not showing there zeros? That is the thing. Because of we are using a trunk function there. Okay. This trunk, what it will do? Always, if you are using a trunk, it will go night 12 o'clock. Means 000 means it is a 00 means night 12 o'clock. There is no a night 12 o'clock means early morning means 12 a.m. not a p.m. 12 a.m. If I'm giving here that is a 12 a.m. 00 means first zero HH. First two zeros. Next two zeros MI. Okay. Generally, how we will give so this is the way. Here. Means all zeros means it is a night 12 o'clock. Means 12:000 means it is a afternoon 12 o'clock. So if you are using a trunk for sysdate, always it will give a midnight 12 o'clock. Means not today. Today midnight means early morning. The date it will go trunk. Same way, for example, if I'm giving no difference. But where it gone? Just check. DD I gave, now D I gave. See, trunk difference. So DD if I'm giving today's midnight. If day mean D if I'm giving what is the day means? Which day? What I told yesterday. Hmm? నేర్చుకోవద్దు అని చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ. జ్ఞాపకం చేసుకోండి అంటే మీరు ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే తెలుస్తుంది. What is it giving? If I am giving a D, then what it is giving? Just understand. Not yesterday. Day before yesterday, I told these functions. Hmm? Yesterday only. But you not practiced. What is the use of the class if I am telling today? So here day means it is a day of the week. Day of the week means it starts from Sunday, ending with Saturday. Sunday, it will give 1, Monday 2, Saturday 7. Okay. Same way here, what is happened in the above query? 6-day day I given. Means trunk always go to least one, means first one. Means if today date means it is going to 12 o'clock. If it is a day, D means it is going day 1. Day 1 means Sunday. Sunday midnight. That's why it is showing 16th June 2024 000. Means if you are seeing what is that? 16th is Sunday. 16th is Sunday. So that is the reason it is going to 16th. So BD. Suppose if I am giving, see here, strange thing will happen. See, if I am giving D means day of the week, DD means day of the month, 3D means day of the year. Then where it will go? So now what we will do? I'm changing this one. No, nothing is happening, right? Why it is nothing is happening? I'll check. If I'm giving a MM, it is going to first of June. So if I'm giving it will go first January 2024. That is the reason. If you are giving triple Y, triple D also, it is not going because Y already it will go there. So if we are giving a Y is, it will go to 1st January. If it is giving a M, then it will go to 1st of every month, current month. Suppose if you are giving a DD, where is DD? Today's date. Okay. If you are giving a day, then week, first day of the week. Suppose if I'm giving a, see here, where it is going. These things we have to remember. along with this one. Already sysdate also you learned. So these are the date functions. Okay. If you are saying month time. Okay. Stop. Stop. Say school of 500 time. Huh? You can now stop it. Stop there. So if you are seeing the date function, to date is converting any string value to date. Any string value to date, and to char this function converts any date value to character value in the specific format. What is the format we have? All the formats it will change it. Same way, we have a months between function. This function is used to find the number of months between the given two date values. Okay. Any date, any dates if you are giving in between how many months are there, it will return the value. Same way, add months. Add months syntax is add underscore months, date, comma, positive or negative number we can give. Add months, for example, sys date, if you are giving positive 2, then 2 months it will add and give returns the date. Same way, -2 or -1 is giving previous months, it is giving. Last day function used to find out the last day of the month, whatever the last day of the month or last date of the month. Okay, that is like it is like for this month 30th June, next month 31st of July, previous month 31st May, like that it will give. So next day, if you are giving the next day of the date, means suppose current date, whatever the date you are giving, and specify the day in Sunday, Monday to Saturday. If you are giving any day, the date it will give, returns the date. Same way. So trunc function, it will trunc the timing, and always it will trunc it, and it will give 12 o'clock format, means night, not night, like a AM 00, it will truncate to 000000. So if you're giving day of the starting time, okay, If you are giving a D, then week start time, that is Sunday. If you are giving a month, then truncating the month give first date of the month. If you are giving the Y's, then it is first day of the year. If you are giving a CC, that century starting day. Okay, with the trunk. With the trunk, whatever we are giving the format, it will give like that. Same way, yeah, round, it will round the nearest value. Okay, this is already we saw in the example. If yeah, again, it will give today's date starting time if system time is less than 12 p.m. Else it will give tomorrow's date starting time if it is like a greater than 12 hours, means 12 p.m. Based on that, it will round it. Again, based on the like a months, years, that is based on the 0.5. Like for days 12 p.m. For months it is a 15. Years it is like a 365 by 2. Like that it will calculate. Okay, which one is nearest? That value it will take it. Same as sys date already we discussed many times. Sys date is a pseudo column, gives a date from the server. What is the system date? That system date it will define. This is also one of the date function. So along with that one, we discussed a few of the formats. Okay. That character conversion, while using character conversion date to char or char to date, we will use this formats conversion. D means day of the week. DD, 2 days means day of the month. 3 days means day of the year. Just remember, D means day of the week. DD means day of the month. Triple D means, just remember, week we have a single digit, so single day we will give. For months we have a double digit, so we will give DD, double D. And years we have a 3 digits, so that's why we are giving a 3 days. Remember like that. So same way, say dy means short form of the means like when for Wednesday it is WN, like Sunday it is SUN, Monday MYN. Same if you are giving a DAY, then full name of that day. Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday, full name it will give. Again, for months, abbreviation is it is like a 01 to 012 it will give if we are giving a MM based on that month. Okay, MON is the short form of the month name. APR, January, JN, February, FEM, like that. If we are giving a month, complete full name of the month, it will give it. For a year, we have two formats. One is YY, that is 60, like a, for example, this is a 24 to 2024. YY, if you are giving only last 2 digits, it will give 24. If you are giving Y, 4 Ys, then full format, full year, it will give 2024. So, yeah, we can give earlier, actually, initially it's starting not Y, it's starting with R. So now it changed to Y. But even if you are giving R for year, if you are giving R for Ys, no difference. It will give a same result. So next format is time format. That is also HH means hours format. HS means HH if you are giving 12 hours format, it will give means 0 to 12. HH 24 means 24 hours format. It is like 0 to 23. It will give, it will returns. HH 12, okay. MI means minute. 0 to 60, 59 it will give. SS seconds. This is also 0 to 59, it will return. So same way Q means quarter. What is the current quarter? What is the date you are passing? Based on that, it will return the which quarter that date belongs to. CC is the century of the year. So current century is 21st century. So it will return say 21st century. 21st. Okay, century is the 21st. WW is the week of the year. Means suppose current week almost it came like a 23rd something it came, right? We are giving a week. It is a 23rd week. 23rd week for of the year. So single W if you are giving, that is week of the month. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. Which week belongs to? Based on that, if it is below 15, it is a 2 week, second week. If it is a more than 15, then third week. If more than 24, then fourth week it will give. If less than 8, then first week. Greater than 8, then second week. So that's it. We will wind up the session. So tomorrow we will discuss the remaining functions what we have. Almost date functions we covered. Only we have aggregate functions. Aggregate functions we will discuss on tomorrow. Okay. What are the functions we covered? String functions, date functions, and arithmetical functions. So all three covered. The remaining thing is aggregate and analytical functions are there. We will discuss tomorrow.